Now we are discussing about countries. In that today we are discussing about the country Chad. Officially known as the Republic of Chad, is a landlocked country at the crossroads of North and Central Africa. It is bordered by Libya to the north, Sudan to the east, the Central African Republic to the south, Cameroon to the southwest, Nigeria to the southwest, and Niger to the west. And the capital city of Chad is Nd Jamena, and the dialing code is plus 235. Those who are interested to talk with their relatives and friends in Chad, they can start the serial number to plus 235, then their number. They can talk. And the area is 1,284 million kilometers are there. And the currency is the Central African CFA franc. Population is around 1.70 crores approximately. It is the analysis of 2022, and the continent is Africa, and official languages is French and Arabic. And what is the Chad known for? Next point is Chad a poor or rich country? Chad is one of the poorest countries in the world and was the lowest life expectation of expectancy of all the countries. In 2017, the life expectancy for a Canadian citizen was found to be only 50 years. And what are the problems of Chad? Problems in Chad, regional conflicts in combination with environmental degradation, rapid desertification, and intercommunal tension over diminishing natural resources have contributed to exaggerating, ex, exa, exacerbate hunger and poverty in the country. The people in Chad are among the most affected by the global climate breakdown. And the next point is how hot does it get in Chad? Chad climate, extreme temperatures range from 12 to 50 degrees C. At Nd Jamaja, the average daily maximums and minimums are 42 degrees C and 28 degrees C. In April, and 33 degrees C and 14 degrees C in December. The rains last from April or July through October. April in the south or July further north and through October. And next point is what is life like in Chad? 63% of Chadians live a life in poverty due to the lack of access to basic education. Only 32% of the population know to read and write. Life expectancy is extremely low at only 48 years at birth. Chad is affected by natural disasters on a regular basis. That is also one of the cause for poverty. And what is the Chad's culture? Chandian social life reflects a rich and diverse culture of African, Arabic, and French influences. And next point is what kind of food do they eat in Chad? Widespread staples include millet, sorghum, and rice, while of the common vegetables include okra and the leaf of cassava plant. And the next point is what is the most popular sport in Chad? Football. And what next point is what is the most famous food in Chad? Bolu, a porridge-like dish, is the most common national dish. It is consumed every day, the every day. And the next point is what fruits and vegetables grow in Chad? Tomatoes and onions are most common local vegetables. And next point is are there deserts in Chad? 8 deserts are there. Desert covers roughly one half of the country, beginning with Saharan Ajo steppe along the northern border with Libya and extending into the central and southern Sahel and Sudan regions, which include the Lake Chad basin. And next point is does Chad have any mountains? The country's topography is generally flat with the elevation gradually rising as one moves north and east way from Lake Chad. And the next point is how many tribes are there in Chad. Chad is a landlocked country in Central Africa with a population of around 16 million people, the fifth largest African country by area. The Chad is home to approximately 200 distinct ethnic groups and over 120 languages and dialects. This lesson will discuss the largest of these Chadian tribes and ethnic groups. Next point is what is the Chad's ethnicity. Chad's ethnic groups include Sara 30% and Kamedu, Kanembu, Burnu and Butma is 9% and Arab is 9%. Wadi, that is Maba, Masalit, Mimi is 7% and Goreni is 5% and Masa is 4% and Bulala is 3% and Marba is 3.5% ethnic groups these are, and Mundang is 2%. Likewise, these are the ethnic groups of Chad's country. This is the information I want to give. This YouTube video is to give a basic understanding. Those who are interested to go for education purpose or business purpose or for traveling or visiting something, they should know the fundamentals of Chad country. For this only I did this video. Wishing you all the best.